A tree whose fruit is used to remove stains. What tree is this? Introducing Balucanag Chisukiton Comenjanus of the family Miliaceae. The tree is named for the English naturalist Hugh Kiuming. Balucanag is a medium to large size tree growing to a height of 20 meters and attaining a diameter of 60 centimeters. Ball-platted at the butt portion, generally cylindrical at upper portion, bent or crooked. Buttress is a low plant type that is branched and spread. Balucanag is common in primary forests at low and medium altitudes to 1,300 meters. It is found in continental Asia from Assam and tropical China through Indochina to eastern Malaysia, Philippines, Sulawesi, Moluccas, New Guinea, Bismarck Archipelago. The seeds yield a non-drying oil used for soap making and illumination. Oil from the kernel is used in hair cosmetic products. It yields a soft white wood for making furniture, wall paneling, plywood, and boxes. Pulp is used for paper making. The fruit is used to remove stains. This is Marx. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.